How to use Target price match. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Now, unfortunately, Target no longer matches price from external competitors like Amazon, Walmart, or Best Buy. Now, the policy now only applies to price found within the Target owns ecosystem. So you could request a price match if you find an identical item for a lesser on Target.com in the Target app or at a local store. You cannot price match it with other application. You could also request price match if you find an identical items. If you have found it in the store purchase, then you could also present the proof of a lower target price on your mobile device or a digital ad to a team member to any checkout lane or a guest service desk as well. And the team members must verify the price on a target device, or screenshot or photos are not accepted. And if you want to do it online, you could call the Target guest service at a toll-free number or use the online card or chat features to request an adjustment as well. But you cannot find the price match. You could just do it within the Target's ecosystem. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.